your country, Ethiopia, fight for us in 1950. Yeah, in Korean War. So I really appreciate you.
Wow.
I really appreciate you.
You know this history.
Of course I know. Do you know Kim Jong-un?
Kim Jong-un. Oh, the dangerous guy from North. Bro, that guy is fucking crazy.
새끼가 야 나와. 어허. Hey bro. Uri.
Kim Jong-un.
Hey.
Oh, I missed you. Same.
You said go to eat dinner.
Yeah,
together.
sure. Just give me a few seconds, bro. Where were you?
I uploaded already 2 videos today. By waiting you.
But waiting me.
Yeah.
You know that I didn't sleep last night, so.
Yeah. So you said me.
Yeah, you
Let's
showed
go
me. I'm
to eat
inviting
dinner
you right.
together.
Just give me a few seconds. Let me be ready.
But
for
now it's
outside.
already 8 p.m.
Sorry, bro. Sorry. Do you have any problem with
No,
it?
no. I don't have. It's your favorite Arab restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me in your restaurant. After you.
I like you.
Did you like it?
Yeah. Okay.
Just film it.
Downstairs. Wow.
Film it from here. It's gonna be nice.
It's really big.
The way that it's sitting.
Wow. I like you.
You like it?
Yeah.
Big man. Mom, just sit here on the table until they just get an empty place for us. Here, one of the best Arab restaurants here in Istanbul.
There is.
Yeah.
I like all kinds of food, you know?
You don't have any problem with it?
Yeah. You know? I'm a little bit shy because I think I'm the only one Asian boy.
That's okay. It's not a problem.
Not a problem.
You know, they respect you, by the way. They fully respect
You never see.
an Asian here. Yeah.
Yeah.
I never see it.
Maybe I'm first.
Probably.
And we have to eat by hand.
Yeah, you have to eat right hand. You have to
I'm
watch it.
slow.
No, you weren't gonna use this.
Hey, what? Okay, I will try.
I'm gonna teach you how to eat it.
How to eat it.
Yeah, the taste by a spoon in hand is different.
Okay.
It's how we believe.
It's like Koreans say that it's 손맛.
Sungmat.
손맛.
Sungmat. Sungmat, right?
Yeah, 손맛.
Brother, انت تبغى جلسه صح؟
ايوه.
تفضل اجلس على الطاوله من
الله يعافيك. عادي ولا يهمك.
여기 앉아서 먹는답니다.
You have to take off your shoes.
Yeah. 신발 벗고.
Yes. Okay.
I saw the movie, Pharaoh, Egyptian emperor.
Yeah.
It's like,
You can use this one. You need it. Or you just wash your hand.
no, I don't.
This one. This one called mask. Called fahsa. Let me show you how to eat this one. You're gonna take a piece of bread. Okay, then. Cut it. Yeah. Do not put your hands in. You have to keep the bread like this.
If I put my fingers in there,
It's gonna eat you. You see this one? Yeah. Now you have to take some meat. Okay then, it's not a problem. good, right?
Yeah. Oh. I like it. What is this name?
Baksa.
Pasta.
Yeah. How to eat this one? Have to see this one. You have this need the meat. Then with it, some with it, eat it. Try this one.
Oh, 뜨거워.
뜨거.
I have to search where is the Arab restaurant in my town.
Like it, right?
I like this.
Like it, right?
Okay, okay, in Korea, 찌기네.
Gine. What does it mean? Is it nice?
It's a nice 찌기네.
Gine. Hush. Gine. Ah. This is not a polite way to do it. I show you. Do you see my face? Do you see my
Clear, dirty.
Yeah. So I'm showing you the right way. Take some meat. See that? Look. Take some meat. This one, right? Some rice. Like this. The 5 cups. Yeah. Take it. Make it like this. Yeah. Down here. Yeah. Come back. It's easy. You like it? Go. It's for me to do that. شكرا حبيبي شكرا. ايوه كيفين احنا. تعال معانا. Keep your feet like this.
How much is it?
No, it's okay. It's on me.
No.
You don't need to pay nothing.
No.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey. What?
حبيبي هنا حبيبي.
Anyway, how much is it?
No, it's okay. You don't need to pay nothing.
No. I can give you by money.
No, it's okay. I don't want
By
nothing.
cash.
Oh, it's,
Hey, wow.
you're my guest. It's my today. You're my guest. It's okay.
You're student.
Yeah.
Your country, Ethiopia, fight for us in 1950. Yeah, in Korean War. So I really appreciate you.
Wow.
I really appreciate you. If they didn't help us, we didn't know about our future.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now.
Listen, this is the meaning of history.
This of the meaning of the history.
It's really important
It's very
history.
important.
Yeah.
You know this history.
Of course I know. All Koreans learn about our history since we are young. In elementary school, middle school, high school, we always read our history.
But now I can tell for someone when I go back to Ethiopia, I met somebody who knows about Ethiopians,
Of course
who
you
helped
can.
Koreans.
Of course you can. One sure thing is that Ethiopia supported South Korea for freedom, yeah?
Yeah.
I know that. So I really appreciate you. Yeah, I can see our flag and the flag.
Ethiopian.
Yeah.
This man was
Yeah.
On
She
what?
was our president.
once.
Yeah. Once
upon a time.
our president. Yeah. Now no. But
Korea will forever remember sacrifice made by Ethiopians.
of course.
Look, these people still alive.
Yeah. They fight in Korea for freedom.
I think it's like 70 years ago.
Yeah. More than
Yeah, around
74 4 years
70
ago.
something years.
Yeah.
Maybe you will see it one day when you go to Ethiopia.
Yeah. When I go to Ethiopia and when you come to Korea, we can meet. Of course.
That's good.
Hey, you don't need to pay for me
It's okay.
anymore.
Like, just one night.
You don't need to pay me anymore. But you already paid for me delicious dinner,
It's okay.
and you pay one more time for me
gentleman.
this time.
It's nothing. Just don't worry about it.
No, it's yes nothing.
Ash. It's okay.
Today was really surprise day.
Listen, man.
Why did you pay the money to him?
He's a poor man.
Woman, yeah.
Then our religion telling us if you have seen someone poor, okay, then you have to give him, like, you not have to, but just give him about a little bit of amount of money because it's gonna come back to you.
That's
It's kind of,
Kind of
it's
good
kind of
word.
like,
Good
yeah.
sentence, yeah.
MashaAllah.
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 Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.